Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of blacksmith work. Now if you've been following me on Instagram over the summer, you'll know that I've been doing a bit toying around with it. Made a set of tongs which proved very useful, and I've also been working on forging a set of nails. Now the last set that I made, they didn't quite work out. They're just too big, too chunky, and have a bit too much mass for me to take away for them to be any good or an easy job to do. So what I've done is I've got a smaller piece of metal that's closer to the width that we need. So I'm just going to use that, forge a tip into it, and hopefully be a much more straightforward video to do. Thanks very much for joining. So just to give you a quick idea of my setup, got my hammer and anvil over here. Not secured down unfortunately, so it does tend to move when I'm hammering. And we've got my mini coal forge over here that I built. So we're using an old hairdryer to push the airflow in. Along that pipe, there's another pipe inside there joining at a 45-degree angle to push the air up and into the fire. So let's get it going. Okay, the fire's heating up nicely now, so in with the metal we go. Okay, so that's the first tip. Nice and sharp, that'll do the trick. Now I just have to cut it to 5 inches and get to work on the next one. I've been stupid. Very, very stupid. Didn't dawn on me until at the point when I needed to cut the metal to get the nails to size that I need a vise. I don't have a vise. Gonna have to get a vise. So for now, I'm gonna cut this video short until I get one. In the meantime, if you want to check out some actual blacksmith work by someone who isn't stupid and knows what he's doing, I recommend you check out Alex Steele. I'm gonna put a link to his channel in the description below. Make sure to check that out. And also give us a like and subscribe if you're interested in this kind of stuff. I'll have a couple of more gaming videos coming out in the meantime. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check that out as well. Other than that, thanks for watching.